Let us not forget to celebrate food because that is the most important lifetime. International days are occasions to educate the public on issues of concern, to mobilize political will and resources, to address global problems, and to celebrate the reinforced achievements of humanity. The existence of international days predates the establishment of the United Nations, but the UN has embraced them as a powerful advocacy tool. Food safety is a shared responsibility between governments, producers, and consumers. Everybody has a role to play from farm to table to ensure the food we consume is safe and will not cause damage to our health. Through the World Food Safety Day, WHO pursues its efforts to mainstream food safety in the public agenda and reduce the burden of foodborne diseases globally. This year, on the second observance of World Food Safety Day, 7th June 2020, we all have a chance to recognize the people who helped keep our food safe. Following the success of 2019 campaign, this year is also about promoting awareness and urging action by highlighting what everyone can do to ensure food safety. Whether you grow, process, transport, store, distribute, sell, prepare, serve, or consume food, you have a role to play in keeping it safe. Currently, in the world, it is estimated that 1 in 10 people become ill after consuming contaminated food, and 4,20,000 people die each year, being children under 5 years the most affected, with 1,25,000 every year. In a world where the food supply chain has become more complex, any adverse food safety incident can have global negative effect impacting public health, trade, and economy. Safe food is critical to health and end hunger, two of the 17 goals of 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. This International Day is an opportunity to strengthen efforts to reduce the risk of foodborne illness and ensure that the food we eat is safe. The World Food Safety Day 2020 will be celebrated virtually due to the spread of COVID-19 disease. People will get a chance to interact with each other online. You can showcase your work, promote food safety locally and internationally, and learn from others as they interact with your content and share their stories. World Food Safety Day, we must promise ourselves to never waste food as an initiative and contribution to safe food for those who are hungry. Let us make a big difference with our small actions. Wishing you a warm and happy World Food Safety Day to one and all present here. Food safety has become an impending concern which can be resolved only when international bodies, governments, producers, and consumers consider it a shared responsibility. Thank you.